Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Today we have the recipe to prepare extra large French fries, which are extra crunchy and super crispy. Just listen to the sound. You can make out how crispy these French fries are. We upload new videos every Saturday. Kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. And for the ingredients, please check the description section. So it is the time to make this ordinary potatoes extraordinary. I have boiled it and peeled it. I'll start mashing it. Then I'll add a little amount of salt, a little amount of chili flakes, and a little amount of pepper powder, followed by mixed herbs. Then I'll grate 1 clove of garlic. You can add garlic powder as well. For binding, I'll be using corn flour. The amount of corn flour is very crucial for this recipe. If at all the amount is less, then the fries tend to break. To ensure there are no lumps, I will use my hands and mash the potatoes once again thoroughly. Then I'll wrap a cutting board with a cling film so that the potato mixture does not stick. I'll grease it with little amount of oil. Place the potato mixture. Cover it again with another cling film and start pressing it gently. Then using a rolling pin, I will roll it such that it is half a centimeter thick. Let me even off the edges. So that the knife slides easily, I'll grease it with a drop of oil and start cutting long strips out of the rolled potato mixture. Since I have greased the cling film, it does not stick and separates easily. Now for frying, I'll be heating a good amount of oil. And once the oil is hot enough, I'll start carefully placing up the prepared fries and start frying it till they are golden brown in color. Once I feel the fries are stiff enough, only then with the help of a tongue I'll carefully flip it. So at this stage you can take it out. You want it extra crisp, then you can fry for 2 more extra minutes. This is how it looks. Now it is the time to take it out from the oil, allow it to get drained from all the oil and plate it. I will just demonstrate how crispy the fries have turned out to be. You can hear the munch in every crunch. These fries are best enjoyed with spicy mayo. Please check the link above for the recipe. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please click the like button, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications.